Hey y'all, and welcome back. We're doing another quick, easy video today, and it's Bahamian pigeon peas and rice with coconut milk. So here are your ingredients: coconut milk, pigeon peas, you have your browning, tomato paste, onions, bell peppers, tomato, and garlic. So in this pan, I am adding my onions and bell peppers and tomatoes to this. I'm not adding the garlic just yet. And usually with Bahamian cooking, you start it off with bacon or soy pork for your rice. Today I didn't do any of that, just good old grapeseed oil, and we're just gonna let that cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. So here it is. We're just moving things around, making sure everybody's coated in that oil, and we're gonna get started. So it's been cooking for about 5 minutes, and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. We're going to stir this around, make sure everything is where we want it, and we're just going to let it cook. Not too much stirring. Don't disturb your pot too much. You just want your ingredients to do what they do for you to have good tasting food. So right here, I'm just adding my can of dried pigeon peas with juices and all, and we're going to give that a good old stir and add the browning. So that's about a tablespoon of browning right there, or a tablespoon and a half, because we want the rice to have that beautiful brown color to it. And we're just going to go ahead, and you can start to season here, but usually I don't, because we want to make sure that all of the ingredients are in there before we really start to season. So now that that's been cooking for about 10 minutes, I'm just now adding my coconut milk, and I'm going to add about 3 cups of water to this, and I'm just going to let it boil. I want it to boil before I add the rice, and so right here you see it's at a rapid boil. And that's what you want. You want that rapid boil before you add your rice to it. And of course, you can go ahead and you can add your washed rice. Now, I usually use basmati rice because it's a matter of preference. You can use long grain or jasmine, your choice. And so we're just going to give this a stir. We're going to season it just a little bit, but of course, you season it with what you want to. I usually use just just a little bit of that nor chicken bouillon, and then that's it. So the liquid has already evaporated, and we're just going to put a lid on this, put this under low heat, and just let it cook. So about 20 minutes later, this is what you have: good old Bahamian peas and rice with coconut milk. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.